Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist here.
Today, I'm going to be talking to you about this shift knob here. So this is an accessory shift knob offered from Subaru Canada. I just checked out the installation instructions. Looks fairly simple to me, but it's quite weighted in comparison to the stock one. I mean, obviously you can't tell that through the video, but replacing it's super easy. Now, they come pretty tight from factory, so it might take two hands. Don't be tempted to use tools like pliers or anything on this. As you can see, it's got that nice leather. You don't want to wreck that. It's nice to keep, even if you don't ever plan on using it. It might take two hands to break the initial one. So I've already done it. It took 17 rotations to fully unthread it and then thread it on. I've already done this. This is just the video. I had to do a practice run. But just so you have an idea, took 17 rotations. Comes right off. It's just threaded. Now, in the instructions, it recommends cleaning up the threads if you've had the car a while. I mean, this is fairly well lubricated, pretty darn clean. I mean, the car has just under 20 kilometers on it. So, not a whole bunch, but, I mean, there's a big difference between this, still weighted fairly nicely, and this accessory one that you can get. Now, I personally like a slightly heavier, larger shifter when I'm driving, but put that back on. You retain all the functions. They have something similar for the CVT WRX. Definitely a little different. Can't just pop it off and swap it on. A little bit more labor intensive, but as you can see, as you get towards the end, it's getting a little tighter, but it looks really good. The finish, that's not all 17 rotations, just in case you were counting at home. I mean, it looks nice. The red is nice, kind of ties in, but I find that this black leather with the silver kind of fits the rest of the trim, and I mean, it does shift. It feels super nicely weighted in my hand. So that's probably something I'd recommend someone does if they're going down that route of adjusting it.
So, that's a brief installation of the Subaru STI shifter. I'm Tyson the Subaru Specialist. Talk to you guys soon.